Did you know that HubSpot regularly releases feature updates and new functionalities that you can add to your portal as beta versions?
The HubSpot Experts by WPWA Digital.
Under Product Updates, you'll find a wide variety of new features to test, available across all hubs and license tiers. I'm Svenja, Head of MarTech and Systems at WPWA Digital. To access this, go to the top right corner of your portal, click on your account name, and then navigate to Product Updates. Here, you will immediately see all the newest features, whether they are still in beta or already live. Using the filters, you can check which features are already live, which are in beta, which are currently under development and will be released in the future, and which features are being deprecated. You can also filter by impact level, product category, or AI functionality. Let's search for a high-impact beta feature for the professional platform. Here, we find a beta for flexible CRM views. With this beta, you can customize your index pages more flexibly. You can join this beta for free and try out the new feature right away. Please note, some betas are activated instantly. Others are private, meaning the HubSpot product team has to approve your access first, so there might be a short wait time. If you don't want to miss any updates in the future, you can enable email notifications for product updates. That way, you always stay up to date. If you don't want to miss out on any more HubSpot tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.